Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you some shortcut tricks for fastest multiplication which you can do just in 3 seconds. Yes, you heard me right. You can do multiplication sums just in 3 seconds even before a calculator. So what are those shortcut tricks? Without any further delay, let us see them.
Example number 1. 235 multiplied by 99. Okay. Now this particular sum will take long time for us to solve if we apply the long multiplication method, right? So we can apply one trick. What we can do, first let us multiply 235 by 100. Now, instead of multiplying 235 by 100 by long multiplication, what you can do, multiply 235 by 1. 235 multiplied by 1 is 235, and then bring these two zeros down. So what do we get? 23,500. Now 23,500 minus 235 will get us the answer. Now, why did we do 23,500 minus 235? It is because 100 minus 1 gives us 99. So, multiplying by 100, first we got 23,500 and then subtracting 235 from 23,500 will give us the answer. Subtracting 235 from 23,500, we get 23,265. So wasn't this a quick multiplication method? Yes. So let us see another example. Now you can apply this particular shortcut trick on even multiplying by a number by 999 or digits like 9. For example, here I should take 246 multiplied by 999. Okay, now what should you do here? Here again you can apply the similar trick as I have mentioned. For example number 1, you need to multiply 246 by 1000, and as simple as that, 246 into 1 is 246, and then place these three zeros here. So we get 2,46,000. So on multiplying 246 by 1000, we get 2,46,000. Now we subtract 246 from 2,46,000 and we get 2,45,754. Now why have I followed this trick? Because children, 1000 minus 1 is equal to 999. So first I multiplied the number by 1000 to get an answer, and then I subtracted the same number from the answer. You can immediately solve this particular multiplication. Here what you should do, you multiply the number by 10. 48 ones are 48, place 1 0 down, we get 480, then subtract 48 from 480. What do we get? We get 432. Here we all know 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. So I have multiplied the number by 10. I got the product. Then I subtracted the original number from the product to get the answer. Followed? Now let us see another trick. Suppose I had to multiply 728 by 25. Again, this sum will take approximately 5 minutes time if I follow the long multiplication method, right? But now I'll show you a trick which will help you to solve this sum instantly. Now, as we all know that 25 multiplied by 4 gives us 100, right? So, if I divide 100 by 4, we will get 25. So what I will do, instead of multiplying this 3-digit number by 25, first I'll multiply this number by 100. Okay, then 728 multiplied by 1 gives us 728, and I will bring these two zeros down. Now from this number I will divide this product by 4. Why so? Because 25 fours are 100. So if I divide 100 by 4, the answer is 25. So what I can do, I can multiply the number by 100 to get the product, and then I can divide the product by 4, which will give us actually 728 multiplied by 25. So when I divide 72800 by 4, you can immediately do it orally. 4 ones are 4, 3 left, so it became 32, 4 8s are 32, then 4 2s are 8, and then this 0 comes down. So this is the answer. Okay. So now if you look at this example, this particular 3-digit number 968, it is being multiplied by 5. Now as we know, 5 multiplied by 2 gives us 10. So here what I should do, first I should multiply the number by 10. 968 ones are 968, and then 0 comes down. Now what should I do? I should divide the product by 2. This will give me the answer. Now 2 4s are 8, right? 2 8s are 16, and then 2 4s are 8, and then 0. So this is the answer. Now let us see another trick. 329 divided by 49. Now what should you do for this? What you can do is, first of all, you multiply 329 by 10. 329 ones are 329, then 0 comes down, then you multiply this product by 5. Okay, so multiplying by 5 will give you 16450. Now why have I done this? First I have multiplied by 10, then I have multiplied the product by 5. So basically I am multiplying this number by 50. Okay, and 50 minus 1 is equal to 49. So now what I will do, I will, from this product 16450, I will subtract the original 3-digit number, because as I said, 50 minus 1 gives us 49, right? So 10 5s are 50. I have multiplied by 50. Now I am subtracting the original number. So here I will get 16,450 minus 329 gives us 16,121. So this is the answer. Let's see another example. Let us multiply a 3-digit number, for example 856 by 19. Now what should I do? As we know, 20 minus 1 gives us 19. So firstly I should multiply this 3-digit number by 20. So in order to do that, first I will multiply this number by 10. So what do I get? 856 multiplied by 1 gives us 856, and this 0 comes down. And now I'll multiply this product by 2, because our motive is to multiply by 20. So 8560 multiplied by 2 gives us 17120. Right? Now what should be my next step? I have to subtract 20 minus 1 is equal to 19. So I will subtract the original number once. 17120 minus the original number will give me the right answer. That is 16264. Okay. So got it? First I wanted to multiply by 20. So I multiplied by 10, and then I multiplied the product by 2. Then ultimately I got the product which is multiplied by 20, and then I subtracted the original number, because 20 minus 1 gives us 19. On subtracting the original number from this product, I got the answer. So these were some tricks which will definitely help you to solve multiplication sums very quickly. So if you want more such tricks, please subscribe to my channel and give a thumbs up. Bye bye.